Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. So these are the pair of dress shoes I've been wearing for work for the past year and a half, 2 years, and these are absolutely destroyed. I wear them almost every day and they are very beat up. You can see up here by the toe box, the stitching is absolutely gone. Up here on the right shoe, up here by the toe box, the leather is fading. You got some of these white threads coming out as well. You can see on the heels here how worn they have become. So I think it's time to get a new pair of dress shoes for work. And that's why today we are doing an unboxing on AmberJack. For me, when I'm looking for a pair of dress shoes for work, there are a few criteria that are very important to me. Number one is comfortability. There are days where I am working 12 to 14 hours doing a lot of walking from the parking lot to the shuttle, to the airport, switching planes, going to other terminal, a lot of walking. So comfortability is very important for me. Number two, durability. Since I'm doing a lot of walking, I want my shoes to stay durable. I don't want them to break down after wearing them just for a couple months and have to get another pair of shoes. So durability is also very important. I want a pair that is comfortable and that is gonna last long. Number three, it is somewhat important to me that it is TSA compliant, which means there's no metal shank in the shoe. So when I go through security, I don't have to take them off. It's these small inconveniences that really bother me. So it's these small things that I want in my shoe. Last but not least, I want my shoe to look good. It has to be stylish. I don't think I'm asking for too much, but these are some of the criteria I am looking for when I am looking for a dress shoe for my work as a pilot. And that's when I found AmberJack. I heard a lot of great things about AmberJack, so I'm here to see for myself. Before we dive into this unboxing video, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you do want to purchase this pair of shoe or any shoes from AmberJack, be sure to use the link down below in the description. It's gonna help this channel out a ton. And be sure to watch the very end of this video as I'll be putting these pair of shoes on feet to show you guys what they look like with my uniform on. Without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing of these pair of AmberJacks, the original and classic in obsidian color. First off the box is a nice sturdy box that says AmberJack, but let's go ahead and see what's on the inside. You guys ready? Give you guys the first look. Ooh, really neatly packaged. On the box here it says made different. Secret comfort science. Ooh, premium A-grade leather. I do like that. Sustainably produced. All right, these are all great things. Comes with this card. Follow us on Instagram. Says premium A-grade leather. Heat activated arch support. Fancy. Dual function outsole. I don't know what that means. And ventilated sheepskin lining. Seems like it uses pretty high quality materials in this pair of shoes. When you first open it, you get this AmberJack dust bag where you are able to store your shoes when you are not wearing it, which is pretty handy. I probably won't be using this since I'll probably be wearing these shoes almost every single day. Moving on, I really like the wrapping paper. It has AmberJack's logo here, nice and yellow. Let's go ahead and see what the shoes look like. Ooh, love the small details of the wrapping. It just makes the whole unboxing experience so much better. Each pair of shoe is individually wrapped. Take out right here. And just to let you know, AmberJack does have a lot of different style shoes, but me personally, for my work, I want to get the original classics. I think that fits my style best. Ooh, look at that. And this is the obsidian color. And each styles also come with so many different colors. However, for my work, I do need to get black, look professional, like a professional pilot. So these look very stylish. Gotta say, right out of the box, these are pretty lightweight, which is also very important to me. And the leather is very soft. Let me go ahead and get the other pair out. So this shoe right here is the original. It comes in two different versions. The classic, which is the one I have here, and the original. The original has a pull tab and a little bit perforation. However, the one right here that I have, the classic, does not have a pull tab and no perforation. To me, I just think it's a little bit more professional. These are definitely dressy shoes. I don't think you can dress them down too much. Maybe if you're super stylish, but for me personal and how I would wear these shoes, it is is only for formal occasion or when I go to work. Another thing I read about these reviews are how comfortable these shoes are, which I am very excited to test out. I'll be definitely doing an update video showing you what these shoes look like and how they feel after wearing them for the next 5 to 6 months. But a few things I really like about these shoes right off the bat, like I said, is how lightweight it is. When you are doing a lot of walking through the airport, you definitely want shoes that are not gonna be too bulky. They're not gonna be too heavy. These shoes right here are pretty sleek and pretty light. They also do use full grain leather. It is handcrafted in Portugal. And for the outsoles, it uses an anti-slip athletic outsole, which is nice, has a lot of grip. On the inside here, it's supposed to have this heat activated arch support, and the inside here is supposed to have really soft sheepskin lining, which is supposed to be very breathable for the shoes. When you are wearing them long periods of time, your feet, your socks don't stink up, which is gonna help a lot. But you guys might be wondering how much these pairs of shoes from AmberJack cost. A lot of high quality shoes using full grain leather goes anywhere from $200 to $250 up to $300. However, these come in at $195, under $200 mark, which is pretty impressive. Using high quality materials, full grain leather, handcrafted in Portugal, that's absolutely not a bad deal at all. So if you do want to purchase them, be sure to use the link down below in the description. Like I said, this is only my initial unboxing video. I'll definitely be testing it, wearing it a lot more, and these shoes are supposed to be TSA compliant. They don't have a metal shank in the shoe, so when I go through security, it won't sound off the alarm and I won't have to take off my shoes. That's one thing that really bugs me about some shoes. That's gonna be it for my initial impression and my unboxing of these AmberJack in the original classic obsidian color. Let's go ahead, go outside, put these on feet and show you guys what they look like. You guys ready? Let's go. Here's a quick on-feet look of the AmberJacks. Show you guys what they look like in my pilot uniform, because that's probably where I'm gonna be wearing these shoes the most when I wear them to work. Straight out of the box, these are very comfortable. As soon as you wear them, you definitely feel the support in your feet. These are gonna be great when I have long days of work, when I'm walking through the airport, walking through security, switching planes, doing a lot of walking. These will be great. Another thing that I really do like about these shoes is I hate choosing between style and comfort, but with these shoes I get both, which is pretty cool. Sorry, I'm just turning around, giving you guys a full 360-degree look of these shoes, what they look on body right out of the box. Another thing I'm looking forward to these shoes is they don't have that metal shank in the shoe, so when I go through security, the alarm is not gonna sound off. I don't have to take my shoes off and have my feet on that dirty, icky ground of the airport. I can keep my shoes on going through security, and that is what I like. You guys might be wondering what shoe size to get. For me, when I wear sneakers and my Adidas and Nikes, I wear size 8.5, and that is what I got with these shoes on AmberJacks, and they fit pretty great. So I would recommend you guys going true to size. However, on the website, it does says if you are in between sizes, maybe go down in size, it'll feel a little more comfortable. In my opinion, these Obsidian AmberJacks aren't the most versatile. Maybe it's because it's the color. The black is very formal. I'm only gonna be wearing this pair of shoes for work or when I go to formal events wearing a suit. I don't think these you can wear and dress casually. Maybe if you got a different color, maybe if you got brown, it'd be a lot more versatile. You are able to wear it in a more casual setting or dress it up if you want. However, the black ones right here are not as versatile, and I'm only gonna be wearing it, like I said, formal events and work. My number one criteria for a work shoe is comfort. I wanna make sure it is comfortable, especially when I have those long days of work. Give you guys another side look, back look, pretend they'll be walking look. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? But I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the video back in the studio. If you do want to get a pair of AmberJacks for you to look stylish, look great, feel comfortable at work, be sure to use the link in the description down below. It's gonna help me out a ton. And if you guys aren't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it. Go down, smash the subscribe button. It's just one click. It's gonna help me out a ton. Let's go back. Hope you enjoyed that on-feet look of the original classic in obsidian color by AmberJack. I can tell you, after wearing these pair of shoes, I was surprised and shocked at how comfortable these shoes are. If you are looking for a dress shoe that you're gonna be wearing through the day, through long hours, taking a lot of steps, be sure to check out AmberJacks. These are very comfortable, and I love that they use very high quality materials, full grain leather, handcrafted in Portugal. I really love these insoles. Very comfortable, gonna keep your feet from being sore. So definitely you want to invest in a good pair of high quality dress shoes. Like I said, coming at only $195, that is not a bad deal at all, especially when other dress shoes can easily go from $250 to $300, where this only comes in at $195. So if you do want to get this pair of shoes, be sure to use the link down below in the description. It's gonna help me out a ton. But I'm excited to test these out and wear them through the airport, wear them every day, test their durability, test the lightweight, going through security. I'm excited to really wear these and put them through the paces. If you do want to see a review video of these after wearing for 4 months, 5 months, be sure to click that subscribe button. But that's gonna be it for my initial impression and unboxing video of these AmberJacks. Like I said, definitely pleasantly surprised, and they do look really good. They also do come in a lot of different styles. They also do have Chelsea boots where you can easily dress up and dress them down, where these are definitely much more professional, much more harder to dress down. These are definitely shoes where you wear the professional setting. When you wear shoes like this means you mean business. Very comfortable. But that's gonna be it for my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, I really appreciate it. If you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.